Good morning, friends. Myself, GC Das, Vestige as a double crown director. Today, I am going to share you what are the benefits of CNC offer. Consistency. Consistency is the secret of Vestige. Yes. What are the benefits I am going to share you right now? Friends, everyone is expending money on their daily needs. Suppose you purchase 3,000 rupees product from Vestige, approximately 100 PB. And what are the benefits in Vestige? If you purchase 3,000 rupees product, you will get 10 to 20% discount, up to 600 discount, as well as you get 10% gift, means 300 rupees gift, as well as you will get cashback, approximately 150 rupees. Total benefit is 1,050 rupees in 3,000 rupees shopping, means 35% benefit. First month. Second month also, if you purchase 3,000 rupees product, you will get 1,050 benefit. Third month also, if you purchase 3,000 rupees product, you will get 1,050 rupees benefit. Fourth month also, if you purchase 3,000 rupees, means 100 PV product, you will get 1,050 rupees benefit. Now calculate, in 4 months, you have purchased 12,000 rupees product and you have got 4,200 rupees benefit. Not only this, after 4 months, company assumes you as a loyal customer and gives you 3,000 rupees MRP product free gift. Yes. Now total benefit is yours is 7,200 rupees. Means 12,000 purchase and 7,200 rupees profit benefit. It is 60% benefit. Friends, you can never get 60% benefit as a customer from market. So this is the power of the system. Yes, really, if you want this profit, just go for CNC offer. And CNC offer is from 2nd of every month up to 12th for old people. Every month, 2nd to 12th of every month. And for new people, it is for whole month. So wherever you are, if you become part of this CNC offer, you can get lots of benefit. Yes. So don't avoid it. Just go for it. And friends, if you want as a customer or as a distributor to get benefit of this system and you want to join Vestige, please call me. My number is 9310208852. Yes. Just call me. I will guide you how to go and how to get success. And friends, if you like this video, then just like it, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel so that I can give you more and more videos, attractive videos for your success. So thank you and wish you well.